Alrighty guys, today we're going to show you how to make a laundry chute out of a trash can. Alright, now part of this kind of assumes you have a hole in your wall or floor, or you know how to put one there. Alright, this house is an old house. I used to have a coal furnace, so I have this really big, extra large cold air return that's not hooked up to anything. Yeah, so that is my extra large cold air return, which goes straight to the basement. So we're just going to take this old grate off here. Now we did measure the trash can, and we figured that we needed a 17-inch by 6-inch grate to the side of the trash can. We couldn't find a 17-inch by 6-inch grate. We could only find a 14-inch by 6-inch grate. So this one, I don't know, we can open it for whatever reason. I don't know why you would want to, but she does seal down as well. Now for the trash can, we're using the home front trash can. We did a video on it a while back. Probably put a link up there to it. I don't want to take it apart to take this bottom piece out. It just kind of slides in. It's really kind of just a flimsy piece of cardboard. So we're just going to smash it out there to fray it up enough to pull it out, right? That's all we need to do. We need to break it, right? We need to break it so that that piece came out. Now this piece can come out. That piece can come out. And the other piece is already out, right? We could have taken it apart and took that out without hitting it with the hammer or the axe, but I wanted to use the axe. You do you, I'll do me. Alright, so all you gotta do is set it up over the hole. We gotta take that metal thing out that holds the trash bag down, and we're gonna set her flush up against here. Kind of center her over the return. Now I do have like a 2-inch gap on the other side that has a hole on the other side of the trash can, so I gotta cover that up at some point. But 2 inches, I'm not gonna fall down it. Nobody's gonna fall down it. And then from there, I can go down to the basement and drill some screws right up here into the corners to hold that in place, if I feel the need to, or I can put those sticky pads underneath there so that it sticks to the floor, or even just glue it to the floor. I don't care. I'm not going to move it. What you got to do is throw your clothes down there. Neat. And there, we've got our laundry chute. Only cost us what we had for the trash can and the vent. I didn't have to make any alterations to the house. Although I should probably make the hole a little bit bigger because the pants got stuck. Or maybe I could get smaller pants by becoming a smaller person.